all sweaty. It's day 4. Yeah, I know, I forgot to do day 1, 2, and 3, but I made sure to get in here. We're getting it. I'm sore. No, actually it's day 5. Dang, I'm thrown off. Day 5 of doing the workouts with Earn It All. And I took, how long do you think I was off? 2-3 months?
Yeah.
Probably 2-3 months. My wife was still working out, doing her little cycle bar thing. But I decided to take a break, play a little golf, and relax. And now we're back into it, and I'm working out. And my forearms, I can't straighten my arms. My hamstrings hurt. This is all good. But we're in here, eating right, working out, making sure to wake up early sometimes. But this is day 5. Day 6 and 7, we're going to be doing rest cardio. And
What has been the most challenging yet so far?
the most challenging thing is waking up and going. Because so far I missed 2 mornings and then we had to work out at night. It sucks not to wake up, but I got alarm clocks and she tries to wake me up, but I didn't hear the alarm clock this morning. But made it up. And what else?
What's been the most exciting thing for you in this process?
The most exciting thing is, it's all exciting. I like the gym. I used to work at a gym and played football for 11 years, so it's great to be back. And it feels good not to be lazy. Anything else?
Today is
December.
Tuesday. Monday?
Tuesday.
What is your goals by the end of this week?
I'm pretty much done this week because I'm going to take 2 days of rest and just do cardio. But doing 100 days right now is the game plan. So this is day 5. And the goal, honestly, is to not hurt and be more in shape. And I'm trying to get to 190. Right now I'm 206. I was 215 last week. So I don't know. Follow around. All of us, see what we're gonna do. Nothing else. Just trying to stay fit. Day 5. Make sure to tune in every day. When we get in here, I'll make sure to make a little video, let you guys know what I'm up to. Make sure not just to do car stuff. As for TJ, I'm here. Have a good one.